So we are going to see how to remove spelling or grammatical errors from MS Word. MS Word gives us an option to do this. Now this option is present under the Review tab here. This is called Spelling and Grammar Check. Spelling and Grammar option. Okay, so this tool enables you to correct the mistakes with high degree of accuracy and speed. And so we can say that it improves our written English. Now let us see how to use it. Now, in my text over here, if you can see, there are some spelling mistakes. So one is this, another here, here, and here. So the spelling mistakes are highlighted with a red underline. Okay. So I want to remove them. I want to correct them. So how to do this? I'll first click on the review option, review tab. Then I'll choose under the proofing group, I'll choose spelling and grammar option. I click here. Now, it'll straight away jump to the errors that are present in my document. Now, there are several corrections which are suggested, and you can choose the suitable one amongst them. So, ver is highlighting this YER, so it has to be year. I choose the option, and you can see the change over here. It is replaced with the correct word. Next comes this word. The correct word for this is rotation, Earth's axis of rotation. It is again replaced with the correct word. With respect to its orbital plane, so I'll choose orbital and it is changed. It'll now jump to and it'll read the document entirely and it'll find if there is any other spelling mistake there. So it has read this word to be wrong, and the only suggestion it's giving us to be astronomical. I'll choose this, and after doing all the spelling check, after replacing all the incorrect words with the correct ones, it gives us a window which says spelling and grammar check is complete. I click on OK, and we have the corrected document. We have the document with all the correct spellings in it.